Hi guys, my name is Katie and welcome back to my new series called Growing Up. If you haven't seen the last part, go watch it up here. Today I'm moving in, or I already did, but I'm the future Katie. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Everything known to man. Hey, we made it to my apartment and we're checking in. And it's not that humid. Guys, we're in the apartment and it's crazy. We got the maintenance going, but started putting stuff. I haven't gotten bedding yet. There is a hole in my floor, of course.
Hello. Oh my gosh.
Also, this is, you have to like use your body weight. Also, the shower faucet literally fell off, but the maintenance guy just came. He came so fast. So we're gonna put up stuff. We're gonna go to Target. Woohoo! Okay, y'all, I've set up camp. We're here. There she is. Go Knowles. I don't know. So much has happened today. Literally 24 hours of just like non-stop moving, basically. So I am gonna go to bed. It's 11:19. I have to be up to get breakfast with my parents at 8:30. I'm scared to use this bathroom, but I'm going to. Okay, good night. Good morning, y'all. It's day 2 of moving in. We've still got a lot to do. My parents are picking me up for breakfast because there's not a lot of food that I own at this house. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping and then go tour the campus a little bit. And then they're gone. And then it's just me. I need to wash a lot of things, like my towels, my sheets. I'm just scared of the washer a little bit, but I can face my fears. Yes, okay, goodbye. Okay, hi guys. I'm gonna show you my room. It's not fully decorated, of course, but it's as much as it can be right now. So here we go. All right, I know this lighting's not great, but it's It's gonna have to do. This is just my room. The whole other part of the house is gonna remain a secret for now, I guess. Starting off, here's the door. Yes. Right here we've got my scooter. It just came in, just set it up. I don't have a car, so this is the best it's gonna get for now. And it's actually so lit. It's like really nice. To the left of the door we have the hole. It hasn't been patched up yet, but we put a sheet in there. That's my backpack. And then this is my closet. Here we've got this little door. I just put all my clothes in here that need to be hung. And then pants are up there, swimsuits, and then this is like my junk drawer, but just my my junk shelf. And then umbrella, lint roller, and wrinkle spray stuff. Then we have my yoga mat back there and my guitar. And then this is my dirty laundry basket. Then this is my little shoe thing. On here I have a picture of my friends and then my earring holder. And then down here is like a toolbox and like super glue and command hooks and stuff like that. And on the sides, we've got my purse and my clear little fanny pack thing for game days. And then 2 tote bags over here. Then we have my desk, go Knowles, and some baby carrots that I've been snacking on. And then my desk with all my stuff. This is just my MacBook. These are more pictures of my friends and flowers that Davey sent me. Then it's just some tissues and a little mirror and a little light. In here we've just got some random things like scissors, notebooks, a taser, pepper spray, I don't know, stuff like that. Then we have my window, my trash. Under my bed I have a bunch of clothes. So I have my pajamas right here, my shorts and sweatpants right here, underwear, tube tops, and then like a dance leotard and tights, and then workout clothes and socks. Then we have my bed. It's the biggest bed I've ever had in my life because I've only had a twin bed my whole life, and this is a full. So then I have this wall that you guys saw me put up. Just a bunch of pictures of my friends. I think I'm gonna get a tapestry to go right here or right here. There's a lot of open space. Then we have my full-length mirror. Then we have my bathroom. I feel so lucky because I get my own bathroom. Basically, it's just a bathroom. I don't know. I've got all my stuff on the sink. Down here, there's no drawers, so I just kind of have to organize everything down here. This just is full of a bunch of random things. And then just like cleaning stuff, hair stuff, my makeup bag, an extra towel. Then toilet, let's go. My towels right here. My shower, just got my shower stuff in here. And then this fun little cabinet where I keep other things. And that is it. It's actually really nice for like a college student. It's nice and big. I don't have to share a room with anybody. I have my own bathroom. We have a kitchen, a living room, a TV. So yeah, I feel pretty lucky. Although it is a little far from campus, but hey. But yeah. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Okay, well, that's about it for moving in. I mean, I got my scooter, I got all of my things. Yeah, I don't know. So, that's the end of today's video. I have more coming. So subscribe. Because on Mondays, I'm going to post these. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post a lot of college content on my Instagram. I'll see you guys later. Bye.